Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Webflow site using DropInBlog. As you can see, I'm already in my Webflow site, and on the left-hand side, I'll select Pages in the menu. And then under Static Pages, I added a new page and titled it Blog, but you can title this anything you would like. We'll select the Settings icon next to Blog. And then under blog settings, we'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we need to paste in a code for the closing body tag. Here, we'll go into a separate tab in your browser and go to DropInBlog. Under Code and Layout in the top-hand menu, you will find step 1 of our code. Simply highlight that code and copy. Then, go back into Webflow and paste your code right in there and select Save. Then we'll just select Blog again, make sure that's on our screen, and select the addition sign in the top left-hand side to add an element. And we'll add a container under Layout. Perfect. That popped up, and on the right-hand side of our screen, we'll go to Element Settings. And under Container Settings, you'll see a section called ID. So we need to go back into DropInBlog, scroll down to step 2, and just highlight what's within the quotation marks. So we just need div posts. I'll copy that, go back to Webflow, and paste that in. And then we're ready to publish our site and make sure that we properly linked DropInBlog to Webflow. So in the top menu, select Publish and Publish to selected domains. That will take just a second to load, and then we'll do a preview just to see if that worked. Open up that site. Perfect. So we can see our blog here, but we need to copy our URL in the top menu and go into DropInBlog and paste it in there. Basically, this step just links our Webflow account to our DropInBlog account and lets DropInBlog know where to generate each individual blog post page. So we copied that URL. We're going to head into DropInBlog, scroll up and select Settings in the menu, scroll down, and under Blog URL in the main settings, we will paste in that new URL, scroll down and select Save All Changes. Perfect. Go back into your preview screen in your other tab and just simply refresh this page. And then let's just make sure our individual blog posts were properly linked. So we can click into one of them, and you can see that it actually did. And all of our blog posts and our images are properly formatted here. So you have successfully integrated your blog into Webflow from DropInBlog. Happy blogging!